Hi, it's me, it's Crafty Clips. It's my first video, and if this doesn't give you a clue of what we're going to do in this video, well, we're going to build a water slide, and the biggest clue might have been putting water in, but we're going to do the water last. Well, I think, yeah, we're going to do the water last. So, let's just build this. Okay, just to make it easier for me, I already built the first one, and sorry if I just keep saying because I'm in a big habit of doing it. So let me just build this up to here, then I'll just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and if you're wondering, like, who is this guy's channel? Well, it's called Crafty Clips, and if I can show you, this is me. Cute. So I'll just... Oh, you see, my friend plays Minecraft, and he's just like over a sleepover. Yeah, he's a YouTuber called Happy Channel. If you haven't seen him, his videos are awesome. So let me just build it just about here, I'd say. Is it there? Yeah, it's there. Oh man, we've got to watch this sunset. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Hey Piggy, you're just gonna look at my water slide? Okay. Gonna look at my slide. It's not even open yet. You can't write down it. It's not even open. Okay? Okay, Piggy? I think he's got it. So paranoid. Paranoid? What does paranoid even mean? I have no idea. I have no idea what paranoid even means. Less talking, more videoing. Is videoing? Yeah, video is not a... No, videoing isn't a word. Sorry, I've been like... Wait, what? Wait. No, that's not what I've been like today. I don't know how to explain what I've been like today. Nope, not how, what. See, that's what I've been like today. I cannot tell my words today. That's what I've been like all day. Let's see. Is there a problem? There we go. You see, break that block. Break that block. Sorry, I'm not talking. You see, I'm not talking because I want to concentrate on it. I want to just get it done, as you see. So let's see. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, well, this is a late birthday special because my birthday was on the 1st of August, and today it's either like the 4th or 5th of August, and I also forgot to tell you that I was thinking of doing like a double water slide. So yeah, so you put in the comments one colour that you would like us to build the water slide with, and we will choose, I think, about 4 of them. And as you can see in my inventory, we've already chose 4 colours. So I'll just fill in this part. 1, 2, 3. Is that okay? Oh, I was about to press something. We need to do this. Oh, we seem to have found a problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Sorry if I'm I'm not gonna speak for the whole video. Just concentrating as I told you so I don't get this wrong. So there's a very big chance of you getting this wrong. Is that okay? Yeah. No, I can't reach it from there. Okay. I'm sorry if I just keep saying and not talking because I have no idea what to say. So I've said about the comments, I've said about the late birthday special, I've said about what we're doing today. Let's see. No, I think you can just relax and watch the video without you having to look and hear at the same time. So yeah, because sometimes when I'm watching videos, I just concentrate on one thing, which is, you see, I usually just hear the video a tiny bit, then look at it most. But you can always watch videos again, only if you either find them on Watch Later. You know, Watch Later is a lifesaver. If you're like, oh, I won't find this video again, I need to put it on Watch Later. You know, like that. Very, very useful, Watch Later. Watch Later, you are an absolute lifesaver, and I mean it by heart. You are an absolute lifesaver. Right then. We've only got a few more, and that is a good thing. Okay. Oh, now I remember. I said I didn't just look and not listen, okay? So, I won't talk for the rest of the video. Isn't it boring just watching someone just do the same thing like what we're doing right now? Is this ever gonna end? It's so tall now. Why did we have to make it this tall? I know, right? And my idea was that we make one water slide each video, so there's going to be parts. So if you see part 1, part 2 in the titles, that's probably why. There we go. Wait, no, that's the entrance. I'm sorry. Okay. You see, once my tablet was on low battery and I made a water slide, but unfortunately, because it was on low battery, it lost my progress of the old water slide I built. So I'm making a video to rebuild it, if you say it like that, or maybe make it again if you say it like that. So there we are. I seem to have found a problem. Problem. Why did you have to appear now? I was just about to say goodbye to my people. My lovely, lovely people. By the way, that's you. No, not you, Pink Wall. You're not the one who I want right now. Okay, now is it done? Yep, it's done. Guys, just look how perfect that is. So, goodbye!